If it goes over 2 hours, they add $250 for each extra hour. 200% markup on the price of materials. Sometimes they call me grandpa because partner crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. And we only see a fraction of that. Highway robbery, I tell you. For sure. If you buy the tool, how bad is potentially messing up with it? Like using too much power and destroying your thing. How many uses are you going to get out of that tool? How much is your time worth researching options and watching? The call me grandpa because partner crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. The call me grandpa because partner crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. My parents. I'm 36. Balk at it. Tell me I can buy a new lawnmower every year with what I pay the lawn people. You know the call me grandpa because partner crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt? It takes these 3 guys 10 minutes and it looks great. Whereas it would easily take me an hour. I'll work that hour and earn much more than $35. It's easy math. Just got through dealing with a repair and the guy left a side of the house unpainted, which isn't that big a deal, but it was agreed that he'd do that if we had extra paint. And also other product.